Hello, my friends. Well, you may have seen my video where I did the 3 primary color, chunky canvases in red, yellow, and blue. Well, someone bought the set at the gallery and commissioned me to do green, purple, and oranges. So that's what I'm doing today. So, greens, I've got Artist Loft light green, white with light green, metallic green, and metallic green with metallic black, I think, for this amazing forest green color. I've mixed it with my usual glue, Liquitex water mix, detailed down below in the description box. I've added 2 drops of silicone to each color, stirred it in well, and we're going to go for it. Probably do 2 layers of each color. And as always, I've made more paint than I need. So probably do another video with all of these colors together later on. It's a 5-ounce cup, so that's plenty of paint for a 6x6, but it's deep canvas, so I want to get nice coverage on the sides. Oh, I really do need my torch. Where is that? You know what, my friends, I'm going to have to pause while I go look for it. I think it's here somewhere, and I do need it for this technique. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, but I could not find my torch. I think I left it at the gallery after the demo yesterday, but I am going to use my husband's heat gun, industrial strength heat gun, which I've used in the past, and it works just fine. So buttons. Let's more of this. Okay. That should be plenty for this size canvas. Here we go. Okay. Not all that pretty right now, but hopefully we can make something good out of it. I think I'll hit it with a torch first. Whoa. And here we go. Woo! Look at those cells. Look at those cells. That's crazy. And we're gonna tilt it around. Maybe I added 2 drops of silicone to each color. Maybe I went a little overboard. I hope they, well, I was gonna say I hope the client will like them with this many cells, but I think they'll complement the other ones that didn't have so many. Oh, it's pretty. What do you think? Carrie's still here. Say hi, Carrie.
Hello.
Still here. It's the same day.
Yeah, I think it's pretty.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
All right. I like the ones on the top, particularly nicely shaped. This is a great recipe, I think, for cells. So that's one.
Good job.
Thank you. Now let's move on to purple. Slide that over here. Okay, purple. Let's see, the purple colors are this Liquitex Dioxozine Purple. This may have been, we did some mixing. I think this was Artist Loft with white to lighten it. This is Grumbacher Deep Violet. And this is Liquitex Light Blue Violet. So we got a really nice assortment of purples here. This should be quite pretty, I think. So, 2 layers. I kind of like to do dark light, dark light. I mean, that's my habit. I don't know that it makes a difference really with a flip cup, but that's what I do. I'm going to go a little light on this red violet because it's so red. A little heavier on the more purple ones. I try not to drip on my new tablecloth. But eventually it's going to happen. Okay, that should be plenty. And flip. Ooh. I think I'll run the cup through. That's purple.
Purple.
Whoops.
I really like it with that light here.
Do you? Okay. Yes, that was a nice value change. Okay, let's hit it with the heat gun. Ooh. Yeah. Pretty. I love this recipe, I must say. Glue, Liquitex, and water. Yeah. I wish there was more of the dark purple in there, but it's not bad. I'll paint dark purple on any of the voids around the sides there. I think that's sufficiently purple, huh?
That's pretty purple.
Okay. And orange. I'm sure I've shared with you before that someone once told me orange was the color of insanity. I love orange.
That's why I'm liking orange so much.
Yeah, Carrie liked orange too. All right. Oh, those are pretty together. Let's hope we can make it a hat trick. Now, Carrie does not like this color. Let me explain my colors. This is Artist Loft Orange. This is Artist Loft Metallic Orange, but it was too close in value and color to that one, so we added some metallic red to it, which is quite lovely. This is white with a little bit of orange for peach, and then I needed a dark value, so I mixed the orange with some raw umber, or burnt umber, I can't remember. Carrie does not like this color, but I think we need it for the contrast. So fingers crossed it works out. I'll go sparingly on it. How's that? And I won't put it next to that peach. That's gross. I'll put it next to the
That was gross.
the nice orange. It's going to be gross next to anything. Sandwich this light color in between. I told her I thought it was going to be okay, but we'll see if I'm right or wrong. Did I tell them? Yes, I told them about, oh, I added more. How Luca, your dog, looks like Kissy, did I?
I don't know.
Well, my friends, not in this video, in the other one,
Maybe.
which I will post first. Carrie brought her dog, Luca, along, and she reminds me so much of Kissy, my Kissy that I've talked about in many videos before, who we had to say goodbye to last year, I think it was. Anyway, she looks a lot like her. I feel like the spirit of Kissy is with me here in the room. It's really nice. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. It's orange. And that color isn't very predominant in here, the offensive color. Okay.
Baby diaper color.
Okay. Yeah, see, Carrie? What do you think? It's not too bad,
It's
huh?
not too bad. No, it's good.
Oh, I like that peachy color.
Yeah.
That worked out well.
I like this corner on the side.
Mm-hmm. Carrie likes this corner. Okay. I think we're good. Now, well, I'm not going to move them. I'm going to just bring the camera in so you can look at them all. I'm going to let them dry right here. Not trying to move them. Let's bring you in. Oh, we've got our orange. I like that. I'm happy with that.
Yeah,
Purple. That's pretty. And green. Green's very emeraldy looking. Yeah, those will be really pretty alongside the other set of red, yellow, and blue. Okay, my friends. I bought these 6x6 Michaels Pro Pack. If you don't know about that, you can buy them in bulk online and really save on them. So it's a way to go if you like this size or any of the sizes. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.